Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a great Diwali. Now I am back with another review video and today I am reviewing different products from a brand called Chariot New York. I had not heard of this brand before, but I came across their lipsticks during the Flipkart sale and they were super affordable, so I decided to try them out. And then I ordered a couple of other products from their range as well. And I am reviewing today 3 of their lipsticks, 2 illumination blushes and their aloe vera gel. So please keep on watching. So let's first look at their lipsticks. Now the lipsticks come in a packaging like this, and even the inner packaging is super pretty. It's a full black body like this, and I really like the packaging. You get a total of 4 grams of the product, and the lipsticks retail for a price of 650 rupees, and I know that's expensive for a brand that you wouldn't probably have heard of. But then I purchased these from Flipkart and I paid less than 100 rupees for each of these shades. So I leave links to these in the description box below. You can check them out. A very good thing that I found about their cosmetics is that all of their products are paraben free, mineral oil free, cruelty free and silicone free, and you usually don't find that in cosmetics this cheap, and I was really intrigued by that, and that is why I decided to try them out. And the lipsticks are really nice, except for one thing, and that is that these are super dry and it's really difficult to get them on. You have to have a good amount of lip balm on your lips to actually get the color out, and if you're able to apply them, they look really nice. They dried on fully matte and there is no shimmer in any of the shades that I bought. But they are not fully transfer proof. They do transfer a little bit, but it's not too much, and the staying power would be 2 to 3 hours if you don't eat anything oily. If you eat anything oily, they'll start coming off from the middle of your lips, but I do find that they tint the lips a little bit, so it doesn't look super bad when it comes off, so that's a good thing. So yeah, let's get started with the swatches. So next up is their illumination blush. Now I have 2 shades from this. The first one here is called Macaroon and it's an orangish sort of color, and this one is called Silver and it's a silvery white kind of shade. Now both of these are cream based, but they have totally different textures for some reason. This one right here, obviously this won't serve as a blush, but you can use it as a highlighter. Now this one is really smooth and buttery, and it gives a really subtle glow, and that's all that it does. I mean, I wouldn't use it as a highlighter alone because it doesn't add much shine. This adds a very subtle glow, so people who like that sort of look can probably go for it. I don't find this to be of much use, honestly. And the second one here, this is a really nice shade, but look at the texture. This has a sticky gum sort of texture, and I cannot imagine applying this to my face. Like, I don't know why they would do this. This was a really nice shade, but yeah, the texture is super bad. Let me just try and swatch this for you. This goes on really patchy, and yeah, just not meant for the skin at all. Next up I have their aloe vera gel, and you get a total of 120 ml of the product, and the retail price of this is 299 rupees, but I got this on discount as well, and I don't remember how much I paid for it, but yeah, I got some discount. And this has a normal gel consistency, and it's neither too thick nor too runny, and it gets absorbed into the skin really well, and it does not feel sticky after applying, and I really like that. I have an oily skin, so I wouldn't apply it if it felt sticky, or you know, if it made my face oily, and it does not do that. So yeah, it's a good product for me. And they say that it's a multi-purpose gel that you can apply both to your skin and your scalp, and the scent of this is also really good. It has a very mild fragrance, and it smells almost like an aftershave lotion. So I would say people who have oily skin, and even otherwise, it's a really good aloe vera gel, and you can definitely try this out. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. And before I go, there's another thing that I would like to mention. I have an art handle on Instagram because I like painting and fine arts. So if that is something that interests you, please do follow me there. And I hope to see you soon in another video. Bye bye.